model, 2019 Ford Transit Custom 2.0 TD130 PS 340 Trend L2N1 starts drives fine coolant issue. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 156196. MOT, the 15th of March 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, full service history, air con, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,475 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.